We're here in beautiful and sunny Sedona, Arizona. We are gonna go find the birthing cave and enjoy all this red rock scenery. Sedona, Arizona is known for these beautiful red rocks. Right behind me you can see a great example with all these beautiful striations and different layers of coloring here. Wow, Sedona is truly beautiful. We have this amazing red rock formation to one side, and on the other side here, we have this fantastic view from the elevation. Gorgeous. Well, I made it to a cave, but not the birthing cave yet. Just a little cave we came to explore and take a break from the heat. It has these amazing hole-shaped formations all over the ceiling, and the shade is killer right now. Well, we climbed all the way to the top of there and straight back down it, and no birthing cave to be found yet. We're still looking, but we have gotten to see a lot of amazing things out here in Sedona today. We made it to the birthing cave, and to be honest, I am too chicken to go out to that edge.